Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen problem. So if you have any problem with the camera full screen, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone, scroll until you find the apps manager, click on the apps like this and then click on this apps option. Or what you would want to do here again is wait a few seconds. Scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage right here. Make sure to enable all these four options right here exactly. And then go to the permissions. Make sure that the camera permission is enabled. And then go to the storage. Click on clear data. Click on delete. Restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.